Hello guys, welcome to the video, and this is my favorite type of video, which is apartment hunting in New York City. I love different layouts. I like to look and see what's out there on the market. I love to go visit new places. I want to know what layout they have to offer. In this video, I'm going to be touring apartments in New York City, which is Manhattan. I have another video on my channel about apartment hunting in Brooklyn. I actually like this apartment a lot. I posted a room tour video on my channel recently, so if you didn't see it, please go check it out. It's really fun. So I love this place a lot, but unfortunately I want unfurnished apartment. So we decided not to renew our lease and we decided to find something else. We didn't find it yet. We have only 2 weeks left. It sounds kind of crazy. So the next few days we're gonna be touring a lot of apartments on Manhattan. So I'm really excited to see all the new apartment types and I want to share this experience with you. So today we're gonna tour one apartment in Upper West Side near the Central Park, because we kind of like this area and the idea of walking around Central Park every day, especially if we have a dog. We currently don't have any pets, but we really want to get one. Also, we really like downtown area and maybe Two Bridges, Lower East Side area. So today we're gonna tour actually 2 apartments, Upper West Side and downtown Manhattan. One of the apartments I can even see from a window that I'm gonna be touring later. So I'm gonna be showing you all of those and what exactly I like or maybe dislike about them. most important thing for me in the apartment is a lot of sunlight, the view, and floor-to-ceiling windows. I don't really care that much about tons of amenities. It's nice to have, but it's not gonna be like a main factor for me. Current building that we live in has small gym, and I like it. It's honestly very cozy and it's just enough. Also, we have a rooftop, which is also really nice. Sometimes I can work from there. Another big factor would be washer and dryer inside of the unit and new appliances, kitchen and the bathroom. So we'll see what they have to offer. Honestly, my dream was to live in Soho and West Village, and I tried to find a few apartments to tour, but unfortunately they're like way out of our budget. It's usually walk up, there is no elevator, and the windows are super small. So I don't even see the point to actually tour them, because I definitely not gonna get them unless, you know, it's like a huge loft, but usually those apartments just for sale, not for rent, and they like $20 million. walking to see another apartment. Very exciting. So my apartment hunting comes to the end. We're gonna look at more apartments today. I'm super excited. I narrowed down my apartment list and I think I really toured the most beautiful apartments in New York City. I honestly have a lot of things to pack, a lot of kitchenware, a lot of like cups, glasses. I sold already a few pieces of furniture we don't need. I sold like 3 different mirrors, different size. My apartment looks as a total mess and we're gonna put a lot of stuff in the storage because we still don't have an apartment and we're probably gonna go to Miami for like a month or 2 while we wait for the right apartment. And the idea is that I toured most of the buildings that I liked and I know how the amenities look in the building. I know how layouts look at that building, those buildings. And when I decide which one is the best or which apartment will come up first, then we're gonna move back to New York and we're gonna rent this specific apartment. And I'm hoping I will be coming back to New York very soon.